DYMO Rhino 6000 Industrial Labelmaker Review. Why pros choose it over cheaper alternatives.
You're crouched in a panel with a Sharpie and tape flags, squinting to read your own handwriting. The labels peel, the ink smudges. You rework the same wire twice because you can't tell what you labeled last week. It's frustrating, unprofessional, and it slows you down every single day. A contractor once told me he redid an entire panel schedule because his labels fell off overnight. Sound familiar?
That wasted time adds up fast. You're buying more tape, redoing labels, and explaining messy work to inspectors or clients. It's draining. You know there's a better way, but switching tools feels like one more thing to figure out. Then someone on your crew shows up with labels that actually stay put, printed clean and sized perfectly. You ask what they're using, that's when things start to change.
That's the DYMO Rhino 6000 Industrial Labelmaker. Don't just buy any label maker. Make sure it has flexible nylon and heat shrink tape compatibility so you never suffer from peeling adhesive or illegible handwriting again. This isn't a toy. It prints on vinyl, nylon, heat shrink tubing, and self-laminating materials that actually survive job site conditions. An electrician I know labeled a breaker panel with it 3 years ago. The labels still look brand new. The Rhino 6000 connects to your laptop so you can import a full panel schedule from Excel and print 40 breaker labels in under 5 minutes, all perfectly formatted. Or use it standalone in the field with the rechargeable lithium-ion battery that lasts all day. The hard carry case keeps everything organized in your truck. The kit includes a vinyl tape and a flexible nylon tape, so you're ready to label wires, panels, or equipment the moment you open the box. It's built to handle the mess, the bumps, and the long days. Imagine pulling up to a job with your panel schedule already printed, labels sized and spaced exactly right, no guesswork. You press the hotkey for wire flags, type your circuit ID, and print. Wrap it, done. The nylon tape hugs the wire without lifting at the edges, even in a humid mechanical room. A data center tech said, "I used to spend an hour formatting patch panel labels by hand. Now I press one button and print a perfect strip in 30 seconds. The Rhino 6000 handles serialization automatically, so if you need to label cable 001 through cable 150, you set the start number and it prints the whole sequence. The barcode function works flawlessly for asset tracking. The 24mm tape width gives you room for bold, readable text that you can see from across the room. Ever tried to read a tiny label on a crowded terminal block? This solves that. The labels don't fade, they don't smudge, they don't curl. What would it feel like to finish a job knowing your labeling will still look professional 5 years from now? The software is straightforward, the controls are intuitive, and the results are consistent every single time. These kits don't sit on shelves long, especially when contractors realize how much time they save. Facility managers are buying 2 or 3 at a time for their teams. The rechargeable battery, hard case, and 2 tape cassettes mean you're job ready out of the box. One installer said, "Inspectors compliment my labeling now. That never happened before." If you're serious about professional results and you're tired of labels that fail, this is the tool that fixes it. Check availability now before the next shipment delay hits. For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.